Tonight on Be Something Wonderful, being versus doing. Another episode of Manifesting Without Effort. This is Tom Karen with the Be Something Wonderful studio of Higher Consciousness, where we help you level up and become the best version of yourself. Welcome back, creators. I have a very powerful lesson today that really identifies one of the biggest pitfalls when manifesting your desires, when using or recognizing the law of attraction. And here's the big thing, guys, that you're not doing anything. You're being it. Manifesting is an experience. It's not a set of mechanical things that you should do. It shouldn't turn into a set of mechanical instructions that you have to follow, right? This is what keeps your manifestations away from you because you never experience it. It is something that comes from within. Whenever you're doing something, that comes from without. Following other people's instructions is coming from an outside source. Following other people's affirmations, or really manifestations, wanting what they want, right? Trying to follow what they do, trying to copy, trying to do exactly what another person's doing. Guys, all that magic, all that power comes from within you. That manifestation power comes from within. It's not an outside influence, right? So manifesting isn't about doing anything. It's about feeling you are what you want to be. It's about feeling that you already have what you want to have. It's about experiencing that. It's about, when you use words, it's about feeling those words, right? It's not about rote learning. It's not about following steps 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then sitting and go, okay, where's my manifestation? Where's my money? Right? I followed all the manifesting steps. Where's my bag of money? Well, guys, that's why. Unless you feel abundant, unless you have the experience of abundance, of manifesting, unless you experience it, unless you be it, that abundant person already, you're not going to manifest it. You don't get it by rote learning. You also don't get it by following what others do. One size does not fit all in manifesting. It's manifesting more than anything else is an experience. This is important. This is what a spiritual teacher, Genevieve Davis, I talked to her about her in another video, and her Magic Words is the name of her book. She has some other books called Doing Magic, Becoming Magic, and Advanced Magic. I'll put a link in, but it's more than anything which she talks about, and I love it. It's an experience. It's a feeling. It's not about mechanically following procedures. This is why your manifestations come true. Affirmations, for example, almost become a chore that you have to get done. Like, okay, I got to get my manifestations done this morning, okay. And they become mechanical. They're learned, right? You're watching what the others do. You're forcing yourself to get through these steps of manifestation. You're making them routine. You're making them work. Guys, it should be effortless. It should be fun. You should already be it before you even start, right? Manifesting is being. Manifesting is experiencing. Manifesting is feeling. Feeling your wish already fulfilled, as Neville Goddard, the spiritual teacher, would say. Thinking from the end as if you already have it, right? It's from within. Here it is. The manifestation power comes from within you. That's why you're not getting it. You're looking for an outside source. You're looking to others to give you the words. You're looking to others to give you the steps. You're looking to others to see what they manifested in their life. And you want to follow that because you want something similar. Guys, we're all different. And the way the universe and God will work within you, your inner being, has it lined up for you. If you would just be you. Once you be you, and manifest the way you want to manifest, use your words, use your feelings, it will come to you like an avalanche. I promise. Stop following steps and just be it. Be you. When you be you, I love using that subjunctive. When you be you, it's going to come like an avalanche. I promise you guys. Your inner being, that connection to God, already has it all lined up. Anything you've ever wished for, anything you ever wanted is all within you. It's all stacked up in the metaphysical, waiting for you to bring it into manifestation. The problem is you keep looking to the outside. You keep feeling like you're a victim of circumstance, a victim of the environment, a victim of what people are telling you, a victim of the news. You're not any of that. You are the story you tell. You experience in every moment. This is what Genevieve Davis says as well in her books. You experience in every moment the story you tell. Tell the story of who you are, of abundance, of love. You're not any of those things that you think you are that the ego keeps telling you. Whether it's good or bad, whether you're like the best at this or the worst at this, none of that's true. You are God, you are divinity, you are pure love. And that manifestation power is in you and it's waiting for you to access it. Do it in your own way. Do it on your own terms. Do it through your own. You have your own inner being. Don't try to use other people's inner beings. It doesn't work. The power of manifesting comes from within you guys. Start today. Stop making it mechanical. Stop making it learned. Forget those affirmations. Unless you can feel the affirmations that are coming from you, unless they're spontaneous and feeling, don't use them. It's just a chore. They're forced. It's routine, right? It's about experience. It's about being. It's not doing, guys. It never has been. Yeah? Do it today, guys. This is Tom Kieran with the Be Something Wonderful studio of Higher Consciousness, where we help you level up and become the best version of yourself. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, and like and share our videos. Also, visit our website at besomethingwonderful.com, tomkieran.com. Write us an email at info@besomethingwonderful.com. We'd love to hear from you. But guys, subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos. That's how we get our message out. With great love, this is Tom. Until next time, see you soon.